Hey, what's up, y'all? I'm gonna give y'all a tutorial to my new line dance. The song is called I Wanna Be Your Lover by Prince, okay? This line dance is all four walls, so you're gonna go towards your right each time you do this line dance. So whatever your right is, you're gonna go towards the right each time, all right? So I'm gonna go ahead and turn my back so you'll know which side is the right side and which side is the left side, okay? We're gonna start rocking on our right side. We're gonna go rock, 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 kick left foot, rock, 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 kick right foot. After that, you would take your right foot and you would turn your body towards your right side of the room with right, left, right. If that makes sense? So I brought the right foot slightly behind the left with the right, left, right. All right? So let's bring it all together on me. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, right, kick, left, right, here, kick, turn, right, left, right. All right, we cooking, right? We cooking. You feel me? So catch me out right here. And left foot is going to do the tapping here. You're going to tap forward, tap towards your left, and you're going to go left, right, left. All right, you see how I slightly came back with that left foot, and then I brought it back together on that last one? That's exactly how you're going to do it, all right? So let's bring it all together slow again from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock, 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 kick, rock, 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 kick, turn, right, left, right, up, here, left, right, left. Yeah, we in there. Hold on, we got a little bit more. We halfway there now. We got a little bit more. Next, you're going to give me a little sexy groove with your right foot this time, okay? Your right foot is going to do the action here. You're going to go step up on right, and you're going to step back on right, okay? You see how I'm still slightly behind that left foot? So you're going to step up and back. So give it a little body roll, a little sexiness, and ba, out and out. Okay, so I added a little bit more to that. So even though you're doing the sexy here, 1, 2, ba. All right, so let's try that one more time. You're gonna step forward on me. 5, 6, 7, 8. Sexy groove. You're going ba, out and out. All right, you're gonna end with your right foot out. All right, let's go from the top on me. Go slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock, 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 kick, rock, 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 kick, turn, right, left, right, tap, left, right, left, groove. Oh yeah, we're going up, out, and out. Yeah, on me. You're gonna kick that right foot up, and you're gonna be moving your body forward as you kicking it up, okay? So it's gonna look like this. You're gonna give me a little sweep with that right foot, bring it down, and you're gonna give me another sweep with that left foot, bring it down. Start on your right foot. You see how we ended with that left foot kick? You're gonna give me, I tell people in my class, you're gonna get around, all right? And you're gonna give me 2 of them. So you're gonna do this. You're gonna 1 right here, 2 right here. And as you're getting around, you're gonna step with your right foot and you're gonna turn on your left shoulder, okay? Each time, no matter where you at in the room, you're gonna turn on that left shoulder and you're gonna get around, all right? So once again, you're gonna get around, you're gonna step out right foot, turn on left shoulder, same thing towards when you get to the back here, step on that right foot, turn on that left shoulder, now you're back here. Here's the beginning of the line dance, okay? Rock, 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 kick, rock, 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 kick, turn, go right, left, right. Now tap, left, left, coaster step, tap here groove, You're going ba, out, and kick, get around, and repeat. All right? Yeah, I know you got it. If you don't, reverse this video and do it again, okay? Reverse it, do it again, and go step by step. And I believe y'all. And make sure y'all tag me and let me know in the comments what you think about this line dance and this tutorial. And let's keep it going. Let's rock it out together. You feel me? And tag me in the video when you do the dance, all right? Tag me in the video. I want to see y'all tag, and I want to see y'all out there doing this dance. You feel me? So tag me. Let me know in the comments what y'all think about this line dance and the tutorial, and I'll catch y'all later. Sway out. Deuces.